Before you move to Morgan Hill, you're gonna wanna watch this video for my 5 biggest watchouts. Now, not to scare you, but you're gonna wanna know this before you move to Morgan Hill. Hi, I'm Caroline Hobbs with Rise Real Estate Group, and I help families make no-fluff decisions here in South County. If you want honest relocation advice, hit subscribe and the bell. We're gonna share 5 cons quickly, but don't worry, I'll share fixes for each one. Let's dive in. First off the bat, Bay Area level costs. Now, whether it's housing, dining, or services, these are gonna run higher than the US average. Condos and townhomes can help. Single family homes, especially updated or with land, cost more. How to work around it. Compare condo, townhome, and single family side by side. Ask about ADU potential to offset part of the payment. Build a total cost to own budget before you start shopping for homes. Number 2, Highway 101 traffic. Peak hours can be stop and go, heading north and back again. If you commute, timing matters. How to work around it? Test your route throughout your real commute hours. Negotiate hybrid work or compressed office days. Leave earlier or later to miss the worst of it. Con number 3 is limited public transit. Caltrain, they focus on the weekday commuting hours, not the weekends. Bus connections, they do exist, but they don't replace a car for most people. How do we fix this? If you're car light, live near downtown and schools that you'll be visiting daily. For short commutes and errands, try an e-bike. But it's always important, make sure you do your research before you decide where you live. Another practical con is utilities. Water and sewer and general Bay Area energy costs can be surprising to newcomers. Doing an energy audit and having efficiency upgrades can really go a long way. Con number 5, wildfire risk at hillsides and the occasional PSPS shutoffs. Some areas sit near wildfire zones. During extreme fire weather, power can be shut off for safety. How do we work around it? Create a defensible space around your home and keep the first 5 feet totally clear of brush. Use ember-resistant vents and maintain a Class A roof wherever possible. Have a simple backup power plan or a basic go bag. Review your insurance early, not at the last minute. Bonus note, Anderson Lake has long-term construction limits. If big lake days were on your plan, explore alternative parks for now. Here's how to make Morgan Hill work for you. Get pre-approved early and know your ceiling. Test your commute before you buy. Pick a location, what's close, and what you'll use the most. Prioritize energy and water efficiently in your home search. Build a simple power outage kit. Small steps can make a really big difference. Now, here is a quick recap. Cost of housing, 101 traffic, utility bills, and wildfire risks. None of these are deal breakers for everyone. It depends on your lifestyle and your plan. If you want an unbiased local game plan, text or call me or use the link in the description for a quick consult. I'll map out neighborhoods, run commute times, and send a custom home list matched to your budget. I'm Caroline Hobbs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.